Okay, we want to get 26 ounces. We want to get that to grams. So here's how you do it. 1 ounce, that equals 28.35 grams. We call that a conversion factor. And if we want to go from ounces to grams, we need to know this number. So we have 26 ounces. Ounces to grams, we multiply by 28.35, like this here. And that's 28.35 grams in 1 ounce, grams per ounce. So this is our conversion factor. What's nice is when you multiply, you have ounces on the top and the bottom. They cancel out. You're left with grams. So you know you did it correctly. So 26 times 28.35 grams, that equals 737.1. And the units, that's going to be the grams. That's all that's left. So that's how you do it. If you want to go from grams to ounces, you could just divide by 28.35 as well. This is Dr. B, converting 26 ounces to grams. Thanks for watching.